From homemakers to boardroom leaders, women have added countless roles to their lives. But when did adding start meaning burdening them with everything? Hello and welcome to this episode of She Knows on Wonder Woman Wednesday. And today we'll talk about the power of balancing not just our checkbooks but our lives. Now, as we encourage women to be financially independent, learn financial literacy, driving, self defense, who is actually stepping up to share the load at home? And how to share home responsibilities. It all started when more women started going out to work. Now, it was the first step for women to become financially independent. But as women started working, they started managing work and home as well, doubling their work, stress, time, and effort. As women are getting empowered, they're expected to be all and do everything. So on Wonder Woman Wednesday, we had created a video and a reel on what are the 5 things that women should learn and teach their daughters. Seeing this, one of my dear friend Vasudha commented that empowering women will not help until men start taking equal share of responsibilities. Now, if a woman keeps upgrading and keeps performing all the roles that she's been doing since ages and add on to that, then it is more like burdening and not empowerment. And this was actually true. We are expecting women to be career-driven, nurturing mothers, financial gurus, and much more. But at what cost to their well-being? So here are some basic steps that we should take to create a balance and not overburden the women. First up, let's list out all the things we do at home. Cooking, laundry, cleaning and dusting home, cleaning toilets, grocery shopping, taking care of kids and their schoolwork, drop, pick up for kids and other members. Don't leave out anything that you do on a daily basis. The second step is, if you can afford and if you're comfortable, outsource some of these work. If not, it's all about teamwork. So divide the tasks, some to your partner and some to your family members. Also, ladies, remember, some of them might be doing it for the first time and may not be experts. So please be patient and let them do it. Moms, please teach your sons to be involved so that the next generation understands and provides support. Now, by sharing chores, we empower not just women but the whole families. So let us create homes where everyone contributes and everyone can live their life happily without the stress of handling too many things. If you found these insights helpful, give us a thumbs up, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Now let us hear from you in the comments. Have you found a balance in managing home responsibilities? Yes or no? Share your thoughts in the comments below and we would love to hear how you're managing. Thank you for joining us. Remember, sharing responsibilities means caring for each other. So keep supporting, keep sharing, and keep shining as always.